Alright, we're going to show you now the famous Jimson weed, Datura wrightii. This plant is actually in the nightshade family, the Solanaceae, along with tomatoes and nightshades. This is a fairly common plant in Scorpion Canyon with these really distinctive trumpet-shaped flowers that are white to a little bit purple. You'll see them here in Scorpion Canyon, but also they're very common on midden sites. They are probably best known because of their use by Native Americans in ceremonial situations, ceremonies. As a matter of fact, the local Chumash people use them for dozens of reasons, from helping you find your basically your spirit guide, going into a trance, to helping you see into the future or purify your mind, a whole bunch of different reasons. On the other hand, what needs to really be pointed out about Jimson weed is quite a few people die every single year in the United States taking this because they want to get high. It's a very, very poisonous plant. So it should not be fooled with in that way, mostly because there's no standard dosage. You can't know from plant to plant how strong it is. It depends on how mature the plant is, it depends on what kind of soil it's growing in, how much water it's gotten, all kinds of different reasons like that. Different. This is probably a medium-sized morning glory flower, but it's still, even the largest one is maybe half the size of Jimson weed. Also, morning glory doesn't have those little things, don't know what they're called botanically, sticking out from the corners of the flower. Jimson weed never turns the pink that the morning glory does. It may get sort of a blue cast to it. And then finally, Jimson weed has that very distinctive spined fruit where morning glory does not.